So Just As I Am is going to be the 6th of these conferences, and I think I've been involved for the last 5 years. And I came in through the research that I'm doing as a PhD research project, where I've been interviewing disabled Christians about their experiences of church, which has chimed very well with this conference's focus on the lived experience of disabled people, especially lay Christians. So I've presented about my research in various ways, and I've also observed a lot of the disability work that goes on at St Martin's and the conference as things to write about in the sort of final report of my research, where I'm going to talk about what's happening in the church for disabled people. So it's been really exciting to kind of tie in with that. And last year and the year before were really exciting conferences with lots of contributions from people with different theologies that have come out of their lived experience as disabled Christians. And that as the theme this year should allow more people to feed in more interesting theologies that come straight out of our experiences of being Christians who experience various kinds of disability.